All right, dear children, welcome back to the class. We're looking at the chapter called Surface Areas and Volumes. Even in ninth standard, you have learned all the basic formula related to surface areas and volumes. But in 10th standard, there is a topic of combination of solids. I gave you all the detailing of all those things in the first video. If you haven't seen that, you can go to the playlist and you can watch it there. And now, as I have told you, it's time to reveal this first exercise and whatever doubts you have. I think you must be solving all these questions lately from this exercise already. Now, if you have any doubts, tell me the question number so that I can solve your doubt. Question number.
Question 3, sir.
Question number 3. Okay, let's get on to question number 3. Everybody, I will come to that. Somebody told some other number, but third I heard predominantly. Everybody write this third question, all of you. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter, mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. Okay, that means on a hemisphere, a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter is mounted, and hemisphere is also having same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Total height they are saying 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy they are saying. Find the total surface area of the toy. Please make a note of this question. Third question, all of you. Quickly. Very simple question it is. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. That means it is mounted, it is on a hemisphere of radius 3.5. That means same radius means 3.5. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. I think everybody has written this question. Let me go to the solution section here. Now 10th surface areas and volumes. Now we are looking at the first exercise, no? First exercise we are looking at. And in the first exercise, question number 3. First of all, drawing the diagram is very, very important. Yes. In this, what is there? There is a cone mounted on a hemisphere. That means there is a hemisphere like this. Okay. And on this, there is a cone. Right now, this is how diagram comes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, radius, this radius they have mentioned, this radius. Okay. So you write here cone you write here. Then you write here a hemisphere. Okay. Both of them you write here, so that it becomes easy for you. Cone and hemisphere. Okay. So what are the values for this? I mean, this total height also they have given, no? This total height also they have given. So what is this total height? Total height of the toy is like 15.5 centimeter, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this radius. So whatever cone is having radius and whatever hemisphere are having radius, both are same. That is equal to 3.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Now look at this. Now they are asking total surface area. Now how much is this? Tell me. This is also 3.5, no? So if this radius is 3.5, this is also radius only, no? This is also 3.5 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if this is 3.5, now in this total 15.5, if you remove this 3.5, don't you get the height of this cone as 12 centimeter? Height of the cone
Yes,
as
Yes,
12
sir.
sir.
centimeter?
Yes.
Yes, you get it as 12 centimeter, right, dear children? Okay. So now you are getting this 12 centimeter. Now these are the given data. Now what they're asking? They're asking out of this total surface area. Total surface area equal to question mark. Is this the question, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Is this the question? Okay. Now total surface area means anyhow whatever is there in between, no? So this area, whatever is there, so this is gone because it is, mounted between these two, no? I mean this hemisphere and this is there, this cone is there, so that's why it is mounted, it's gone. Now total surface area of this toy means you have to take curved surface area of this hemisphere and curved surface area of this cone. That's it, no? So can I write total surface area? Total surface area is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. Can I write like this? this is how I am supposed to write, because this cone total surface area I would have taken, but this circle, bottom circle is not there, or it is there or it is not there. It is mounted, no? It is covered or
Yes,
not?
sir.
So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why both I have to take it as curved surface area. Now curved surface area of hemisphere means, you guys know, it is 2 pi r square, and curved surface area of cone is pi r L. Now there is a big trouble. We don't know L, and you know how to find out the value of L. Now this is the value of L, right? So R is known. Here it is, and H is also known. Can you find out the value of L?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll find it out. Okay, so right now you try to put it in a simpler form. Here pi is common, I'm going to take pi common, and r is also common, I'm going to take r common. So inside what comes? 2r comes, 2 into r, then plus here pi r is there, then L comes. Is it understood whatever I have written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to bring
Yes,
it in
sir.
the simplest form, then only things become easy for you. Now in this pi is known, r is known, 2 is known, r is known, L is not known. So let me name it as equation number 1. So this total surface area is equal to pi r bracket 2r plus L. Let me name it as equation number 1. Let us find out L. So L is equal to, you know the formula, no? So what is that? Under root r square plus h square, no? Yes. And
Yes, sir.
under root r square means it becomes 3.5 whole square, plus h square means it becomes 12 square. Now you know 3.5 whole square means, can I write it as directly 12.25? You know the trick, right? Whenever a number is ending with 5, how to do it square? So 5 means you write it square 25, and 3 means into 4, next number 3 into 4, 12. Did I tell this trick or not?
Yes, sir.
So look at this. What is 55 square? 55 square, don't you think it is 3025? Just check. 65 means, don't you
Yes,
think it
sir.
is 4225? Yeah. Did I tell this trick or not?
Yes, sir.
105 square means, what is the square? I mean, 25, then 110. So this is the square of 105, right? Okay,
sir.
fine. Those who don't know the trick get to know about that. Otherwise, it's fine. So 12.25 plus it becomes 144, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then afterwards, L is equal to, it becomes under root. L is equal to under root 144 plus 12 means it becomes 156, no?
156.25.
156.25. 156.25. Now, can you find out the square root of 156.25, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Can you find out the under root 156.25, or you don't know how to find out? This also I have explained, you know. 156.25, you have to take it like this. Then you have to make two groups. Last whatever is remaining, you have to leave that. Then per nearby perfect square, you have to see 1 ones are 1. Then here it is 0. Then you have to add this 1, so it becomes 2. Then you have to take 56. Then you have to take the nearest number. Yes or no? So you have to take 2. So it becomes 2. Then it becomes 44. 22 2s are 44. And what remains here? 12 remains here. Then you have to add that plus 2 here. It becomes 24. Then you have to keep the point here. Then you have to take this 25. Then you have to use 5s. If you use 5s here, so it becomes 5 5s are 25, 2 is the carry, 5 4s are 20, 22, 2 is the carry, 5 2s are 10, 12. Did I explain this or not? Tell me, first of all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have told this in your 9th class also. I have explained this. So under root 156, if you don't know, don't worry, I will be telling you one more time how to do it. For time being, under root 156.25 means, you just understand it is 12.5. So what is the value of L? L is equal to 12.5. Do you want me to make separate video how to find out square roots?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will do the videos and I will post it. Okay, 12.5. So the value of L is whatever I got L, no? So this is like 12.5. So I will keep it as 2. Then I will say put 2 in 1. I will say put 2 in 1. So what is the first equation? Total surface area. Total surface area is equal to, what was the formula there? The formula was pi r bracket 2r plus L. Directly just start to do it. Pi means what? 22 by 7. Pi means 22 by 7 into R means 3.5 bracket 2R. 2R is there, no? 2R. 2R means 2 into 3.5 plus L means now 12.5. All right. Is it okay, dear children? Whatever I have written here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Everything seems all right. Now you cancel this. 7 ones are 7 0.5s are. Okay. 22 into 0.5 means, can I write it as 1 by 2 directly?
Yes, sir.
Think over it, because 0.5 means 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. Directly I can write. Now it becomes 7 plus 12.5. 7 plus 12.5, 2 ones are 2 11s are. Then it becomes 11 bracket 19.5. You have to see, look at this calculation, how easy it has become. No need to multiply all these things and all. Okay. 11 5s are 55. 5 is the carry. 11 ends are 99. Then it becomes 104. Then 11 ones are 11. 11 plus 10, 21. So 214.5 centimeter square. Is this understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope all of it is very, very clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at the flow of this problem, and some of you may be finding this one troublesome. Arey yaar, idellinda bantu, where it came from, oh my god, like that you must be feeling. But this is also very simple, you'll get it. Okay, the thing is that you have to practice. Yeah, okay, fine. You can guess also. Now here it is ending with 25 here, no dear children. That means definitely at the end 5 will come. Now 156 combination you try to make it at 12 and 13. If you make 12 into 13, that means here it should be 12, no? So like that also, by using logic also you can do that. But otherwise I have told you the method. Those who did not understand how did I find out this, say yes. Those who did not get how did I find out this, say yes. Oh, that means everybody knows then. Okay, fine. Anyway, so I'll be teaching you this. Already I have taught you. One more time I'll be teaching you. No need to worry at all. I'll get that video. All right. So is this understood? Is this question very, very clear to everyone? Third question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So let's go to next question. Tell me the question number.
Fifth one, sir.
Fifth one. Okay, everybody
Fifth
write
one,
this
sir.
fifth question. Sixth,
Fifth one, sir.
fifth one. Okay, write down this fifth one, all of you. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to edge of the cube. Okay, that means L is the diameter of the hemisphere and L is the edge of the cube also. Okay, determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So you have to find out remaining surface area. Remaining surface area you have to find out. First of all, do you agree that there is a cube of side L?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down, all of you write down sixth question. I'll come to that. I'll explain it. Sorry, not sixth one, no, fifth one. I'm sorry, fifth one. There is a cube of side L, that is for sure. From top of that, from one of the face, I guess, a hemispherical depression is cut from one of the face of cubical wooden block, such that diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to edge of the cube. That means the diameter of the hemisphere is L, no? Now determine surface area of the remaining solid. Okay, this has to be understood in a particular way. Can I go to the solution?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody wrote this question, fifth one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. If anybody hasn't written the fifth question, say yes. Okay. So let us have a look at this fifth question. Now, first of all, there is a cube. Cube looks like this, no, dear children? Yes or no? Cube is like this. Now, can you see this face? This is a top face, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, right face, left face, bottom face, back face, front face, every 6 faces are there. So if you take its surface area, it would have become, I mean, the side is also given. What is the side? L they have mentioned. Length, then breadth also L, then height is also L. Everything is like L. So totally, if you take surface area, it would have become 6a square. So totally, it would have become 6a square. Or other than 6a square, it would have become 6L square because side is having length L, no? So it would have become 6L square. Right, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, from that, what they have done one thing here. What is that one thing? From one of the face, no, they have taken one hemisphere out like this. From top of your some wooden block, they have taken one hemisphere like this, such that the diameter, whatever diameter of this hemisphere is there, no, that is also equal to L. Understood? This cannot be shown in the diagram like this. I mean, whatever diagram I am showing here, so that complete feel won't come. Okay, so you have to understand it in I mean, just consider one box, wooden box like this. Okay, cubical box. From that above, I mean, inside also material is there. Inside also it is solid material is there. Then only I can take it out. The hemisphere, then only I will be able to take. If it is not solid, means I will not be able to take. Right? So let us assume. So from this, one hemispherical depression is taken out like this. Can I assume like that, dear children?
Yes, sir.
I mean, they only have given. So what is the diameter of this hemispherical depression? Whatever depression I'm making. See, ice cream cubes you have seen, no? I mean, these are big ice cream cubes in this container. They will be keeping, no? I mean, not in the cylindrical. Have you seen family packs? How they will be? They will be put in one rectangular, I mean, cuboidal box, no, like this, or cubical box like this, no? Family pack ice creams. Yeah. So
Yes,
how
sir.
do they look like? How do they look like? They have length also, they have breadth also, and they have height also, no? Length also, and breadth also, and height also. Yes, don't you think they look like a cuboid or cube? They look like this, and from this they take out a scoop like this, no? Ice cream scoop.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think you must have seen. Now, whatever this hemisphere is there, no? This hemisphere diameter is what? Hemisphere diameter is L. Now, what is the radius of this L by 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Now, whatever cube is there, cube means what is the side? Side means A is equal to L or not? Okay.
Yes,
Now, listen, please try to cooperate, right, dear children? Try to, I mean, imagine this. Now, what they're asking in the question, they're asking a total surface area of the remaining solid, no? They're asking determine the surface area of the remaining solid. How much is remaining? That surface area they're asking. Okay. I'll write surface area here. Now, what I will write? I will write total surface area of cube, first of all. So, total surface area of cube. Then I will write minus, look at this, from this top face, no, whatever this top face is there, this top face is there, no. Now from this, if they're taking out this hemispherical depression means, don't you think this much area will be gone? This circular area will be gone?
Sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, it will be cut out, no? This, I mean, there will be a hole like this, no, circular hole on top of this. Whenever in ice cream cube also, if you take one hemisphere, there will be one, I mean, depression like this, no? There will be a hole like this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that has to be, we have to subtract that, no? That means this is pi r square, we have to remove that. That pi r square, we have to remove that. So what I will do, I'll remove that pi r square. So whatever pi r square is there, I'll remove that. Then don't you think, once this pi r square is removed, that's well and good. Whatever this pi r square is there, there was a hole, I have removed it. Now, don't you think that this hemisphere has gone inside and there is some area here also? I mean, this is also surface area, no? So you can put your hand like this, no? I mean, your hand will move. That is also one surface area or not? Here, whatever it has moved,
Yes, sir.
this is one surface area or not? So what is this? Don't you think this is the curved surface area of the hemisphere? Tell me, dear children,
Yes, sir.
this depression. Here it is
Yes,
empty.
sir.
Here also it is empty, but it is coming inside means this is also surface area or not? This is area or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. So that's why what you have to do, you have to add that. Okay, if you are not getting it, I'll come into the video and I will explain you. Have some patience. So I'm going to add that. I'm going to add that, and then I will say it is plus 2 pi r square. Why plus 2 pi r square? I am saying plus 2 pi r square because the curved surface area of this hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now,
sir.
many of you are like maybe confused. Give me a chance to explain you. Now look at me. I mean, don't you think this is a cube? A cube looks like this, no? A
Yes, sir.
book, yes or no? A solid book. Let me show you. For example, this is a cuboid actually. This is looking like a cuboid, but consider this as a cube. How many faces it has? Front face, then back face, top face, bottom face, right face, left face, right? In the top of this face, if you are taking, this is the length, no? So this is a side. Now in this, if you are taking one hemisphere inside means this whatever circle comes above that, that area will be minus. That is like minus pi r square. And inside this, there will be some area or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Inside
Yes,
this there
sir.
is some area or not? So that area is like 2 pi r square. I must consider. Now this is a cuboid. I know this is a cuboid, but consider this much. Then it becomes cube, and there you can analyze. So that's why I'm supposed to add 2 pi r square or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope everybody got it. So that's why what I will do now, plus 2 pi r square, I will just write it. Then afterwards, I'm just going to add all these things. Total surface area of cube means what is the formula? 6a square. Then this minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square means it becomes plus pi r square, no? Look at
Yes,
this,
sir.
minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Pi r square it becomes, then 6 into a square means what is there? A square means a means L is there. So it becomes 6L square plus pi means you can keep it as pi also, or you can take it as 22 by 7 also. But I prefer you to keep it as pi. And R means what? L by 2, no? It become L by 2 whole square, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now
Yes,
it
sir.
becomes 6L square plus pi into L square by 4 it becomes. Now what is common here? L square is common. You take L square common. Then what it becomes? It becomes 6 plus pi by 4. 6 plus pi by 4. So these many centimeters square. So no need to, I mean, if you want to keep this as pi as 22 by 7 and do other calculation, that's up to you. You can do it. Okay. Yes, dear
Yes,
children,
sir.
tell me. Okay, so let me complete that also. If you want to do that, let me do that also. So surface area is equal to L square I have taken, and in bracket what is there? Here is like 1, no? So what is this LCM? LCM is like 4, right? LCM is 4. Okay, now it becomes what? 1 4 za and 4 1 za. 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus pi. So it becomes 24 plus pi. Again it becomes hectic here. There only if you want to substitute, you can substitute and you can take it. Otherwise you can leave it there only. All right, dear children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I mean, if you want to do it here, pi means 22 by 7, you can do it. Otherwise it is better to leave it like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now if any
Yes, sir.
options are there, according, if option is like this only, L square brackets 6 plus pi by 4, you can tick that. Otherwise, if no option is like this, if some other option is there, then you can calculate this. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
hope
sir.
everybody got it. Okay, fine.
Sir,
I mean, I'm
according
just
to
telling
that Jan guide, it is different, sir. Answer is
it is
different,
different.
sir.
Answer is different means just calculate this. I mean, is it in this form
They
or
gave
some other form?
answer 6L square
6.
plus 2 5 bracket 1 by 2 square minus 5 1 by 2 square
They
is
must
this, sir.
have. They must have. I mean, did it in I mean, all this, whatever minus and all I have done, no, they have done it all separately. But I mean, you only think of this logic. I don't want to get into other forms of answers. Okay, so it is like saying, sir, 2 is there somewhere, 4 by 2 is there. 4 by 2 is also 2 only. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, both are same answers. So they can be given in different form. Now you tell to Jen guys that here we got different answer. Whenever we solved it in our class, we got different answer. Why you guys have given answer such a in a complicated manner? You write a letter to them, Sanjana.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So this is simple. Now look at this. I mean, did you understand all this logic? Whatever I've explained. See, look at this. On top of this, if you are cutting this hemisphere, means this circular area is gone. From, I mean, 6L square total area was there. I mean, this cube, and in this you are supposed to minus that, no, because there will be a big hole here, and inside that there will be some area. That's what you are supposed to add. No, that's why it becomes 2 pi r square. No, very simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
They
I mean,
have
simple
not
logic.
calculated only, sir.
See, if they haven't
Only
calculated
they
means
gave the
now
answer, sir.
you should have trouble with them.
Direct
You should not
answer
have
they
trouble
gave,
with
sir.
them. Okay, thank you,
Yes,
Sanjana.
sir.
But
I
this is
didn't
how you are.
understand that.
Yeah. Okay. Now, did you
Now this
understand
I
this?
understood, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Now this also, let us calculate this also. Surface area is equal to, let us get rid of this also. So whatever L square is there, just write L square, and in bracket, what is there? Let me write it as 6 by 1, 6 by 1 plus pi by 4 means, can I write it as 22 by 7 into 4? Can I write like
Yes,
this?
sir.
Pi means 22 by 7, no, and then into 4. So 22 by 7 into 4 I have written. Then afterwards you can carry forward. L square is equal to, now here what is LCM? 6 by 1 it is, plus a 22 by 28 it is. Okay. Then it becomes L square bracket. What is the LCM here? LCM is 28. Now it becomes 128 and 28 ones. So 6 into 28 means 6 8s 48. 4 is the carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 is 6. 10 plus 22. Then divided by 28. L square bracket. So you can do it as 168 plus 2 is 170. 198 becomes 198 divided by 28 you can do. And you can do this calculation 190 by 28 and you can keep the answer. Right, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So however you want, you can do it. Now please do this also. Cancel with 2 and all. Try to do that. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, then 2 nines are, then 2 fives are. Yes. 14 ones are, then 14 sevens are. 14 sevens are 98, no? 14 six, I guess. 14 ones are, 14 six are. 14 6 are 84, no? Then 11 is the carry. Then I mean point, then 0 I have taken. Then 14 ones are, then 14 14 eights are 112. 14 sevens are, 14 sevens are is like 98. So that's it. So I get it as L square into 6.7. So don't you think that it is 6.7 L square, dear children? Surface area is equal to 6.7 L square. Now, I mean, you got this 6.7 L square in a peculiar way, no? So this calculation you should not be worried about. This calculation is like basic, I mean, all algebra. Are you afraid of algebra, these calculations, dear children?
No, sir.
No,
If you're
sir.
afraid of these calculations, and now this is not the time to learn them. It is time to practice them. Already you know. The thing is that you have to practice. Now look at this. Very simply you observe 6a square means what was this answer? I would have got 6l square, no? Then pi r square means something has added to 6l square. That's why it has become 6.7l square or not?
Yes, sir.
This is how you need to confirm the answer also. 6a square means you would have got it as 6a means 6l square you would have got, and something is added, that pi r square is added. I mean, by doing this minus pi r square and plus 2 pi r square, something has been added, that is like pi r square. That's why you got this answer as 6.7 L square. So that's how you can confirm the answer also. All right, dear children? That is just like one verification method. Are you understanding everything, whatever I'm saying, or they are feeling like bouncers to you?
Understanding, sir.
Understanding, no? I hope you understood that. If you haven't understood it, watch this video again and try to sit with a calm mind and observe it after the class so that you get it. Okay, fine. So this calculation, I think everybody has done this. Don't feel like all this calculation, whatever calculations we are doing here, no, don't feel like these calculations are very complex. No, these are easy calculations. So that's why I tell you, these become easy if you follow step-by-step process. If you go step by step, these processes will become very easy. And if you just, do mumbo jumbo, okay, mumbo jumbo, in between, if you want to skip something and all, these become very complex. So that's why you have to go step by step. Shall I go to next problem?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, fine. So let's move on to next question. Let me see how many have joined. I think 32 have joined. Okay, all right. So let me get into this. Now tell me, question number, which question number?
Sir.
Question number, sorry?
Sixth question, sir.
Sixth question. Okay, everybody write this sixth question. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. Okay, here it is given. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter. Okay, length is like 14 millimeter. And the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Diameter means, you understand, no? Diameter means here there is a circular end here. Sorry. So here there is circular end, no? Yes or no? So this diameter we are talking about, this diameter. Okay. That the diameter is, how much is that? 5 millimeter. Find its surface area, they are saying. Okay, quite simple it is. Let us do this. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of it. If each of its ends, the length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Find its surface area. All right, I'm going to the solution now. So let us look into this. Now, question number 6, no? Now, this capsule looks like this, no, dear children? This is like one cylindrical capsule. Okay, this is cylindrical capsule with a hemisphere attached. Have you seen these kind of capsules?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Have you seen or not? Okay. Now, two hemispheres are attached to it. Now, they haven't given this, circular ends, but these must be written so that we get complete feel of this. Okay. So these ends are there. Now, what they have given, they have told that entire whatever this capsule is there, no? So what is the length of this capsule? That is like 14 millimeter, no?
Yes, sir.
And this diameter they have given. What is this diameter they have given? They have given this diameter as 5 millimeter. If this diameter is 5 millimeter, how about radius? Radius is 2.5 millimeter, no? Or 5 by 2 millimeter, no?
Yes, sir.
So if this radius, whatever I'm mentioning here, if this radius, whatever I will tell you now here, this radius is like, this one is 5.2 means, how about this? This is 2.5 means 5 by 2 means, this is also 5 by 2 or not? This is also radius or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this is also radius or not? Huh? So this radius is like a 5 by 2 as in 2.5 it is, 2.5 millimeter. And this is also 2.5 millimeter. Half of 5 by 2 means 2.5 millimeter only. Don't you think how much will remain here? 2.5,
Yes, sir.
2.5. 5 is gone means 9 millimeter will remain or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you write hemisphere. About hemisphere you write. What is the radius of the hemisphere? The radius of the hemisphere is 5 by 2 millimeter, no? Don't use 2.5. You have used 2.5 here, but can I call radius as 5 by 2 millimeter or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, after that, there is a cylinder, no? So this is cylinder means what is the radius of the cylinder? Radius of the cylinder is again 5 by 2 millimeter, no? Because same is the radius of cylinder as well as hemisphere. And it is having height. What is the height of this 9 millimeter, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please think on it. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this radius and this radius both I have mentioned with R and R because both are equal. Otherwise, I would have called it as RH. RH means radius of hemisphere. Then I would have called it as RC, radius of cylinder. But right now both are same. That's why I'm calling them as same. But if they become different means I would have called them differently. Now what they're asking total surface area. No. So total surface area of this capsule is equal to. Don't you feel it is equal to curved surface area of cylinder. First of all, we have to take curved surface area of cylinder, then plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere, because two hemispheres are there, no? So that's why one curved surface area I have to take, then I have to multiply with 2, no? So that becomes total, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Please tell me. So one is having curved surface area, I mean 2 times of that I have to take. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me, no, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So curved surface area of the cylinder is like 2 pi RH plus 2 into it becomes. Now don't think like a total surface area means, so you have to take 2 pi r bracket R plus H. Don't say me that, because here these things are not there. These circular ends are not there. They are inside the tablet. We should not consider that. Then 2 into 2 pi r square. Then simplify it. So it becomes 2 pi RH plus 4 pi r square. 2 pi RH plus 4 pi r square. Now in this, what you can take common? 2 you can take common. Pi you can take common. R you can take common. And in the bracket, what remains? H remains. Plus, then another 2 remains. Then R remains. Is it clear? Whatever I have written here, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then substitute all the values. So I want to substitute them in the next page so that it becomes easy for me. That is equal to 2 pi r means what it becomes? 2 into 22 by 7 into r means what is there? 5 by 2 is there. No, write it as 5 by 2 only. Don't write it as 2.5. 5 by 2. Let it be 5 by 2 only. Afterwards, if there is no option, we'll make it as 2.5. But right now, this r has to be written as 5 by 2 only. These are some of the tricks. And in bracket, what is there? H is there. H means what is there? 9 it is. H means 9 plus then 2r. 2r means 2 into r means what? 5 by 2, no?
Yep.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here 2 and 2 get cancelled. And what remains here? 22 into 5 divided by 7. Then in bracket, 2 and 2 get cancelled. Then here is 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 40. Now look at this. 7 ones are 7 twos are. How beautifully they got cancelled. And 22 into 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 means 220 millimeter square. Now don't you think this calculation is very simple with this 5 by 2?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you want to have a look at the calculations, you can have one more look. But if you write it as 2.5, here also 2.5. Now, sometimes you multiply 2 into 22 into 2.5 divided by 7 in bracket. Now, if you keep on doing like that, things will go wrong. That's why you should not do like that. You should play with the fractions. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 220 millimeter square. So this seemed like very heavy for us, but we have converted into the easiest form with the help of fractions. So we should be befriended with the fractions. All right, dear children, did you understand all these things?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So you keep on solving. Now you must be having other doubts also, no, in this exercise? Doubts are there or they're not there? I know. I mean, in the next class, I'll be asking you doubts together from first exercise as well as a second exercise. Okay, you must be perfect with all the formulae. Then you should be asking doubts to me. Okay, dear children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whenever I connect with you in the next class, I'll be asking you doubts regarding that. Okay, first and second. Okay? Yeah, fine then. So do you want this file or you don't want?
Want, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'll be sending that. You can have a look whenever you are free. You can have a look at the file so that things become very clear to you. What are there in the chapters. Try to keep them in one place in your drive or something like that, so that it becomes easy for you. All right. This that will. Then all of you take care and keep on solving. And we have wished all our dear children of 10th standard all the best. And to give them energy, we have made one video. You can post it as your status and let that positive energy reach everyone. Do you want that positive energy to reach everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or you don't want? Yes, you
Want, sir.
I mean, put that status and you can. Yes. Oh, so okay. Already, if you have, please. I mean, that will be the market. Our students are our strength, and we are going to do everything through the students only. Okay, nothing from other agencies. We are going to do it from student side only. All right, dear children. Thank you very much for joining the class, and I will see you today evening. There won't be any class. Okay, let me announce it before only, because right now exam has come. Now this PU board permission also is open now. So we are looking for that for future plans and all. So we have some gathering of all our committee members and all. So we have meeting at 5 o'clock. So that may go up to 8:30 in the evening. So that's why I won't be able to take the class. Please cooperate. And again, tomorrow I'll be seeing you at 7 o'clock only. All right, dear children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
sir.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a good day.
Bye, sir.